Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on chat requests on your Reddit. We will go to turn on this is my or know how we can do that on your Reddit. You will just go up here and this is picture or this is image. You will click here on up. Then this is window show for you like this, and you just click here on settings. Then you come to settings window here like you say, and you just click here on account settings for you. Then you come to account settings here in this window and you just go down. You click here on manage notifications. Then you come to notifications and you come here to chat requests. You will click here on this mark here, and like you say, this is color show for us. That's mean chat request is on now. So that's on now. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.